Ora wa fuego kamado go de fuego! Ah! Today we are playing The Legend of Zelda Skyward Sword HD. Before we get straight into it, hit the like button, subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with Skyward Sword HD. I believe this is to be part 14. Either part 13 or part 14, but correct me if I'm wrong. I'm leaving the video, the last part, in the description, so go check it out. But without further ado, let's go! Woo! Yeah, it's been such a long time. It's been months. I'm pretty sure no one gives a damn. We are playing Skyward Sword HD. I love you all.
But on my calculations, we should be landing in 3, 2...
Yeah. I'm super excited to get right back into this wonderful gameplay. Like, look, I can literally just do stuff like this. Put a groundhog. Bro! Oh, I love it, I love it. Inside the statue of the goddess. Oh, pardon me, madame. Let me get inside that ass. Ooh. The last piece inside. We have done it. Together, ladies and gentlemen, we will ride. We will die tonight. We will fight for the light. Gold. The yellow beacon has arisen.
I've confirmed the location of a third opening in the cloud barrier in the sky to the southwest. It will allow you to reach a new area on the surface. I suggest going there as soon as you are suitably prepared.
Thanks, Fi. Alrighty then, let's get to it! My name is Del Fuego, land of fire, I come to inspire. I desire today a baddie, that's all I want before I be a little saddie. And I know, as long as I believe I can succeed, I will never give up on my dreams. So it seems. Let's do this! Thanks, Krim! Yeehaw! Alright. Circle!
A report, Master Fuego. We have arrived at Lanayru Mine.
Lanayru Mine. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Lanayru. Oh, come on!
This arid region was transformed into a desert over the course of several hundred years.
Thanks for the beautiful information, Fi. I appreciate it. Lanayru Mine. Look at that. And 2 question marks as well.
My projections show that Zelda must have traveled through this area.
Well, let's go then! Save. Alright. Oh.
Also join the Fuego community. You know, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so help your mans out, you know what I'm saying? All it takes is a few buttons to click. What the oh, heck no. I was not gonna deal with that.
Whoa. Look at that. It's so beautiful. It's that! Whoa. What just happened? Wait, what? How? What just happened? It's so beautiful. Huh. Okay. Alright. What do they have to say?
Where did you come from? We're here collecting time shift stones and transporting them to the Nehru mining facility. Stay away from the blue stones. They're too dangerous for humans. I am able to confirm that a time shift has occurred within this space. No dip! Any impact of the blue stones creates a sustained temporal disruption field in the surrounding area. Readings show that this area is in a past time state.
That is so, like, wow. Like, amazing info. I appreciate it. Wow. I don't look surprised. What do you have to say?
Huh? You're looking for work? Then get rid of that funny-looking hat and come back with a helmet. Vroom.
Excuse me, Wolverine. I'll ruin you right now. Don't try me, Buster. Have a little bit of it.
It's been months since I played Skyward Sword HD, especially with sound effects. Oh my goodness. Yeah. We're gonna leave it here, ladies and gentlemen. If you want part 15 or whatever part is gonna happen next, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down any anime fights you want me to react to, any more video games you want me to get back to. We're trying to go crazy with the channel before I have to go and pay taxes and do normal adult things, you know what I mean? But alright, take care and peace. Like and subscribe! 俺の名は竈門炭治郎だ。